Welcome to Stock Market for All. Earn unlimited through trading and investing. I am CA Rudraology, a chartered accountant and a holder of 5 master degree, and I am the managing director and research head of Vachana Investment Private Limited. I am here to ensure today for all of you who want to earn unlimited money through stock trading and investing, you are at the right place. First of all, let me ask these enrolling questions to all of you. How many of you want to become multi-millionaires in life? Yes. How many of you want to successfully trade and invest in stock market? Yes. How many of you are already in market for a long time, but you are unable to earn the desired success what you feel you should get? Yes. How many of you are freshers to stock market and you want to invest and make tons of money? Yes. How many of you are just investing in gold, mutual fund, bank, FDs, and you don't know how to invest in stock market, but you want the right guidance to trade, invest and make tons of money yourself by putting your hard-earned money to grow big in stock market? Yes. The question for all these answers is a simple yes. Let me now tell you, you will become rich through this program called Stock Market for All. Now, let me just tell you, this seminar, this special session will make you people get what you desire. Let me tell you first of all that you have to follow a basic ground rule in this particular seminar. The basic ground rule is very simple. If you have to earn very big in stock market, the first point what you should do is you have to first of all have an open mind. An open mind is very important because all your wealth is first made here and then you see it really here in your hand. So please have an open mind and learn from top to bottom, learn from A to Z. And a very important and a crucial factor is it is all in your mind game, and you have to ensure you have the most powerful mind and a belief in yourself that you will be super rich. A person can only be born poor. If you are dying poor, it is because of you yourself. You can only be born poor, but you cannot die poor unless you opt for it. Hope you understand the meaning of this great sentence which Rudraology always says. So I am sure you people will make tons of money through stock market provided you give me that next half an hour time to ensure I will deliver the right things what you need. Hope you are all ready. How many of you are ready for this? Yes. Now the rule next what is important to be followed is I want to ensure you follow the footsteps of rich people. Following the footsteps of rich people is very important because especially when it comes to stock market, if you want to become a successful trader, follow great traders like it can be Radhakishan Damani, it can be Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, it can be Jussi Livermore, it can be Ed Sequoia, it can be George Soros. These are people who made tons of money in stock market trading. So if you follow these people's footsteps and what they did in successful trading, for sure you will also become super rich. Similarly, if you want to do great investing, you have to follow great investors like Warren Buffett, or it can be like your Peter Lynch, it can be Charlie Munger, it can be great value investors in our country. We have many people. Again, it can be Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, or it can be Radhakishan Damani. Many great stalwarts are there, and you have to just follow the footsteps of great traders and investors. What they did in stock market, if you are doing, for sure you will also become successful in market. So following the right people, following the rich people and following their footsteps is very important. Then the third and the most important point you have to follow is you should have the right environment required for the success in market. So you can only choose people around you, and if you have right people around you, and if you have the right environment around you, attaining what you want becomes very, very simple. Learn how to say no for people who don't deserve to be next to you. So if you are with the right people around you, and if you are in the right environment, it is only a matter of time, success has to come to you. But if you are with the wrong people, and if you are in the wrong environment, by luck you can get only temporary success, but never, never you can become rich and you can become successful. So please ensure you follow the footsteps of rich people, and you have right people and right environment around you. When I say follow footsteps of rich people, again, it can be Carlos Slim, it can be Bill Gates, it can be Mukesh Ambani. All these people have become super rich. And what these people did to become super rich, if you follow their footsteps, for sure, you will also become super rich. So these are three important points what I want everyone here to follow to become super rich, and also to invest and trade very significantly and scientifically in stock market. Now, once these things are clear, with your permission, let me tell you my mission statement. My mission statement is very clear. I want to ensure all committed, the word committed, I want to ensure all committed traders and investors will become multi-millionaires in life through all the training sessions what I can give to transform my experience of stock market trading and investing to you people, to ensure you all become multi-millionaires. Is that fine? Are you ready? Can I push you a bit far to ensure you are in the right path? So if you are ready for this, please just give me an yes. Hope you are giving that big yes. Yes. Now, let me just tell you next that if you have to become super rich, what is required? Now, again, let me tell you, to become super rich, the most important point to become super rich. So people who say, I want to make big wealth, people who say, I want to become super rich, so what should you do? So to become super rich, the first and foremost point what you should work on is, you should work on having the right and proper mindset. I have never seen a single rich and successful people who had the wrong mindset. So having right mindset is very, very important. Now, always remember, your mind has two parts, which I call it as conscious mind and subconscious mind. Subconscious mind is the most powerful part, where it keeps working based on your beliefs. It keeps working based on your thoughts. So unless you believe it, you can never see it. If you can't believe you will become super rich, no one in this world can believe, and you can never become super rich. So the first most important criteria to become super rich is, first, can you believe yourself? This universe will believe you only if you believe yourself. This universe will help you if you ask universe what you want. Many people don't know what they want, so they never get what they want. So if you are clear with what you want, if your goals are very specific with time limits, for sure you will get what you want. Then along with this, I always say, mind is always like a garden, and you should ensure this garden has lots of flowers and lots of fruit bearing trees, and you don't have any of these weeds and parthenium plants around you, because that will destroy your garden. Very, very important. Ensure the right people and the right environment around you is the most important factor, and that will always push you to be in the right path, and it will give you lots of money. Now, I will also tell you, people have heard this statement, industrialize or perish. But however, Rudramurti says, continuous learning or perish. So if you are not a continuous learner, you will never make money either in stock market or in life. Charlie Munger, Warren Buffett, these people always make tons of money because they are learning machines. They always learn irrespective of their age. Are you ready to sharpen your axe and get everything around you? And then comes the superpower of money along with you. Now, always please ensure you are away from your comfort zone. The zone which you are comfortable will never give you money. Once you go outside comfort zone, you reach money zone. So how many of you want to reach that money zone? Yes, I am sure if you go out of your comfort zone, money zone definitely comes to you. And always ensure you develop the right attitude to become rich. You should follow scientific systems when you trade, and you should also understand genuine investing. Have understanding of market, and money will definitely come to you. Now, with all this, what I have to tell you is, if you want to ensure you will be super rich, your mind should be a wonderful garden with lots of fruit bearing trees and good flowers. And if you have right people and right environment, plus the self belief, plus continuous learning and sharpening of your axe, for sure you will be super rich. Just a matter of time. Now, once you understand the importance of mindset, the second most important thing you should understand to become super rich is, that is, staying rich is also very, very important. I've seen many people in market, they have made tons of money, but they have also given back the money to market. Many a times I tell people, make mistakes, but ensure you keep making new mistakes. You would have lost millions by making lots of mistakes, but don't repeat those mistakes again, because you have to earn in billions. So what you lost in millions is a cost what you have paid to earn in billions. So to make that billions of money, ensure you don't repeat your mistakes. All successful people have done mistakes. In fact, they have done more mistakes than you people, but they have the attitude of never give up, plus they always do new mistakes. They learn through their mistakes and they don't repeat the costliest blunders. So, if you have to become rich and if you have to stay rich also, these are the principles what you have to follow. Now, along with all this, people ask me, if I have to become super rich, how much role luck plays? I always say, no doubt, luck is important, but luck follows only the hard-working and committed people. So if you are that hard-working and committed people, for sure luck will follow you, for sure you will make tons of money. I am sure you will become rich, come what may. No one in this world, including you, can stop to make you people rich, and I am committed enough to make you people rich. But can you please give me the time required, and are you open to new learning, and are you ready to follow the footsteps of rich people, right people, and have the right environment around you, and it's only the matter of time you will become super rich. Now, along with these things, people ask me the next big question. The next big question is, why we have to invest or trade in stock market? We have many alternatives. We can invest in a bank FD, we can put our money in a mutual fund, we can put money in gold and real estate. Why should you invest in stock market? The statistics is too simple. In India, hardly 3% of population is in stock market. If it is only 3% of population which is in stock market, compared with countries like US, where more than 45% of people are in stock market. Now, if this number 3 has so much space to go, if this number 3 just goes to, let us say, only 9%, I'm just saying from 3% to 9%, your current Sensex has to triple. So people ask me, can Sensex goes to 1 lakh? Is it possible? Please understand, just this number going up is enough for market to go up. But do understand, for me what is important is not just seeing Sensex going from 33,000 to 1 lakh. What is more important to me is, are you buying those right stocks which will go up? Look at stocks like rain industry. This stock was at 45 rupees when I recommended about 1 year back. And today you see rain industry having gone to 400 rupees. 45 rupees to 400 rupees in 1 year. And I am talking about only that stock which I have researched and recommended to people, not every stock which has just gone up. Look at stock like Purvankara. This stock from 60-70 rupees just in last 2-3 months has moved to levels closer to 150. For 3 months, 100% return. How many of you are willing to take this? I am sure your answer is yes. Look at Kolte Patil. This stock again from levels of 120 is now at levels closer to 350. From 120 to 350 is close to triple money. How many of you want this triple money? Yes. Look at stocks like Shilpa Medicare. This stock made a fortune to me. This stock gave me 1300% return in a period of 3 years. How many of you are happy with 1300% return in a matter of 3 years? Yes, I know what is your answer. Now, having seen these type of great stocks, the next question comes, how do we research these type of great stocks? How do we trade and invest to make big money? Radhakishan Damani, guru of Rakesh Junjunwala, he says 95% of money what he has made in market and all his wealth comes only through investing. 95% of his money comes through investing and only 5% comes through trading. But the money 95% what he has made in investing, the capital for it has come only through trading. I repeat, even though he has made 95% of his wealth through investing, the capital required to invest in these great companies, he has earned it only through trading. Friends, trading and investing both are important. But are you ready to learn scientifically how to trade and invest to create unlimited wealth? You have the note printing machine in your hand, but are you ready to learn scientifically how to trade and how to invest? If you are there, yes, I am here to teach you all that and share my experience and ensure you will pick up those right stocks. Whether market goes up or market comes down, your stock has to go up and that will give you tons of money. Now, with all this, people have to also next understand that if you have to make big money in market, you have to follow certain trading systems. Now, let me teach you Rudraology trading system and give you how important trading systems are. Now, just sharing you one trading system and let me call this trading system as open low and open high system. So this open low and open high system says whenever market makes an open low, example, let us say Nifty made an open low where open was 10,300 and low was also 10,300. So if market makes an open low formation, we consider this to be very, very bullish. And similarly, whenever market makes an open high formation, let us say Nifty opened at 10,400 and high for the day was also 10,400. So this open high is considered to be very, very bearish. However, it is just not open low and open high. There are certain additional conditions what you have to test. You have to see whether when market makes open low, are we trading above previous day close? You have to see whether our market trading above previous day value area high. Similarly, when you see open high, no doubt it is bearish, but you have to see whether market is trading below previous day close, below previous day value area low. Now I am sure many of you will say, I am unable to understand these things. That is the reason why you are unable to make money in market. So if you have to make money in market, you have to go in deep and understand many systems like this when you trade. Now, let me introduce you people to another trading system. So, I always say this system is as simple as 10 to 50 days moving average. So, what is this 10 to 50 day moving average? In this particular system, what we do is, for me, if 10-day moving average is greater than a 50-day moving average, then I say this is a clear buy signal. So always buy when a 10-day moving average crosses a 50-day moving average, you will be buying that particular market. Similarly, opposite of this, when a 50-day moving average cuts the 10-day moving average, that is, when 10-day goes above 50-day moving average, you buy, and when 10-day moving average comes below a 50-day moving average, then this is a clear-cut sell. So one has to understand whether the short-term moving average, like a 10-day moving average, is trading above the long-term moving average, like a 50-day moving average, that is a clear buy. And when we have the 50-day moving average line going up and the short-term moving average line going down, then that is the time to sell. To put it very, very simple, let me just show it to you like this. Let us assume that this is a 10-day moving average line. So if this is your 10-day moving average line, and let us say this is a 50-day moving average line, so you can clearly see here that the moment at this point, you are sure what is happening is, from below, the 10-day moving average line is cutting the 50-day moving average line. So from below, when a 10-day moving average cuts the 50-day moving average, you will be buying. Similarly, in this example, if I just extend and say that if this line comes down and cuts your 50-day moving average line, so at this point, because from above, the 10-day moving average line is cutting the 50-day moving average line, this is the point where you will be looking for a sell. So when from above a 10-day moving average line cuts down the 50-day moving average, it's a sell. From below, when a 10-day moving average line cuts the 50-day moving average line, it's a buy. This is another trading system which one can follow. Like this, I can introduce you to many trading systems. How many of you are ready to learn in detail and in depth, scientifically, how to buy, how to sell, which stock to buy, which stock to sell, where should I keep the target, where should be my stop loss, what time period I have to hold, and all this if you learn, for sure money is there in your hands. But are you ready to learn and then earn is a question what I am asking. Now, if you are through with these trading systems, let me tell you, if you have to become a successful trader, you should have a trading edge. You require proper risk management systems and you should have right tools, and then only you will become a successful trader. Similarly, if you people have to earn through investing lot of passive income, that is, you will be making money when you are sleeping. Money works for you when you are sleeping. If you want to do that, you have to understand right ways of investing in great stocks like Rain Industry, like Purvankara, like Raymond, like Shilpa Medicare, like Force Motor, and all that will bring you a lot of wealth. Now, I am sure for all these things, what you should do is, you should understand that if you want to make wealth, yes, everyone is interested to make what? Wealth. So if you want to make wealth, what is that you should do? So first of all, if you want to make wealth, you should have a warrior attitude. Come what may, I will do anything and everything to become rich. So warrior attitude is very, very important. The second most important point is, if you want to make wealth and if you want to become super rich, energy is very, very important. I have never seen a super rich and a wealthy fellow who doesn't have energy. So this is what is required. And A stands for attitude. So right mindset and right attitude, very, very important to make big money. Also, you should associate yourself with right people and have the right environment around you, then for sure you will become super rich. Then this L stands for love and passion towards what you are doing. Anything, if you have to achieve, you should have love and passion towards what you are doing. Love what you do or do what you love. Very, very important. For me, stock market gives tons of money, but my passion is to ensure many more people make tremendous wealth through stock market trading and investing. I have passion to make committed traders and investors super rich. Yes, along with this, T here says you should have the right time management. If you don't have the right time management, if you don't know how to tell no to wrong people, and if you are surrounded by many wrong people, if you are in the wrong environment, you will never become super rich. So right time management, very, very important to become super rich. And H here stands for happiness forever. Yes, if you have money with you, for sure you will have good health. If you have good health with you, for sure forever happiness will be with you. So first wealth, then health, then happiness. Because once you have too much of money with you, automatically you will have peace of mind and automatically you will have good health. And once you have wealth and health, happiness forever is a given done thing. How many of you are ready to follow this system of wealth to become super rich? And this is Rudraology's system. So if you are ready for all this, then let me tell you what is that you have to do. Now, I have seen there are many, many people that have never made money in market. If you ask me why, these are people with wrong mindset. These are people who don't have any trading system. These are people who lack discipline in trading. These are people who don't have the right knowledge and wisdom, and they lack ownership and responsibility, and these people never make money. Now, what is the solution for this problem, and how can you become super rich by trading and investing in stock market? The answer is very simple. Have the right mindset, know the right trading system, know how to manage risk, have proper money management skills, have the right people around you, and walk in the right path. For sure, it is just a matter of time. No one can stop you in making you people rich. For that, you have to be committed and you have to walk the path. Now, those people who are ready to walk the path, yes, you have the best news for you. That is, there is this super program called Zero to Millionaire. Now, those people who want this program Zero to Millionaire, which I just call as ZTM, that is, from zero, you will be millionaire. You will be multi-millionaire. So those who want to come for this Zero to Millionaire program, do ensure this program gives you what? The benefit is, it will give you the multi-millionaire mindset. It will give you financial freedom. It will give you a scientific way of investing and trading. It will give you short-term gains through trading and long-term gains through investing. It will ensure you will have right money management skills. It will give you knowledge of technical analysis, candlestick pattern, derivative market, Rudraology, and it will be a transformational program. It will give you a bird's eye view of everything required for stock market trading and investing. How many of you here are ready to learn that? Yes. Now, if you are committed to learn this program, Zero to Millionaire, will take you to the next level. In one word, it will transform you to a next level. It's a life transformational program to ensure you make your wealth, you get your good health, and you get happiness forever. How many of you want wealth, health and happiness forever? If your answer is yes, you cannot miss this program Zero to Millionaire. Let me tell you, people who have attended this program Zero to Millionaire, I have a testimonial from Mr. Rajshekar, who has been a software engineer. He says, I was working day and night on this particular program and there was a life transformation which happened to me. He says, no one who wants to earn passive source of income can miss this program Zero to Millionaire. Thanks to Rudramurthy sir for giving such a wonderful program. Thank you, Rajshekar. There has been many people. Let me read one more testimonial, and this testimonial has been given by Shailaja. Shailaja, an housewife, says, I had tons of money, tons of saving, but I was putting all that money in fixed deposit and in few other chits. I learned the scientific way of investing through Zero to Millionaire program, and now I am in my financial freedom. Thank you a lot. Now, many more. I can keep reading, but I'll tell you, don't miss this transformational program of your life. That is what Zero to Millionaire will give you. Now, this program Zero to Millionaire, I have decided to conduct on. The dates are December 9th and December 10th. Yes, it is a Saturday and a Sunday, and timings will be morning. You will be starting at 9 a.m. and evening you will be leaving by 5 p.m. Yes, it's an intensive program, and for about 8 hours every day, for 2 days, you will be giving me totally about 16 hours of your time. So I require this 16 hours of time of yours to ensure you learn how to become rich. You will move from Zero to Millionaire. If you are already millionaire, Zero to Millionaire is adding 6 zeros to just 1 rupee. If you are already millionaire, add 6 zeros from there. Sky is the limit for you to make money through this program Zero to Millionaire. Don't miss it at any cost. Your life transformational program and the last attempt to ensure you invest and trade scientifically in stock market. Yes, this program in Chennai, as I have announced to you, will happen. There are many people who will ask me this question, sir, should I come to Chennai to attend this program? I am not from Chennai, I am from a different place. I am from Bangalore, I am from Hyderabad, I am from Mumbai, I am from Delhi, I am from Hyderabad. Whichever place you are from, I have people attending outside India coming all the way to my programs. If you have to become super rich, you have to only make you super rich through programs which I will be providing you for scientific method of trading and investing. And in Chennai, you will have this wonderful program Zero to Millionaire. At any cost, don't miss. And this program will be done at a 5-star hotel. It will be at Radisson Hotel, Egmore, Chennai. I repeat, it will be at Radisson Hotel, Egmore, Chennai. And as you people know, the dates for this program, I'm just showing it to you once again. It will be on December 9th and December 10th. It will be Saturday, Sunday. Timing will be 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. And your trainer for this particular program, Zero to Millionaire, will be C.A. Rudramurthy, who will ensure all committed traders and investors will become multi-millionaires. How many of you are ready for this? Yes. Now, along with your lunch, coffee, snacks, break and complete program at a 5-star hotel, Radisson in Egmore in Chennai on December 9th and 10th with whatever content I have already spoken. So the content is to ensure you have the right mindset, to ensure you stay rich, and to ensure you get a bird's eye view of technical analysis, bird's eye view of candlestick pattern, derivative market, Rudraology, and anything and everything required for your wealth, your health, and your happiness forever. How many of you are ready for this program? Yes, I know many of you are ready for this program. But I can give seats only for 21 committed traders and investors to attend this program, Zero to Millionaire. Place is not a constraint. People who are in Chennai cannot miss this lifetime opportunity and do attend and learn everything what you want. Now, the last point what people ask me is regarding the fees. Yes, the fees of this particular program is a simple number, and this seminar is coming to you people with all that learning just at a price of 24,999 plus GST for 2 full days. I am sure you will not miss this opportunity. Now friends, it's a 5-star hotel, 2 full days of learning at 24,999 plus GST. I am sure many of you are interested, but I can give only 21 seats. But because you are in this webinar special, because you have watched this program for last more than half an hour, because you are ready to learn and you are ready to become super rich, I am just making a change. I don't want you to pay 24,999. Technical analysis, candlestick, derivative pattern, investing, happiness, wealth, richness, everything. I will not give you at this price. I'll just give you at a price of 9,999. 9,999 rupees plus the GST you will be paying to attend this special program. Do you think for 2 full days, for everything what I am giving it for you people and complete learning with your lunch in Radisson 5-star hotel in Chennai, just for 9,999 for 2 full days of unlimited learning for lifetime, this is an investment. This is a great stock you have to buy many more stocks in future. Just at rupees 9,999 plus GST for 2 full days of program, because you have watched this special video, I am giving it to you at this price. How many of you are now happy to register to this program? Finally, I am telling you, I want to ensure at any cost, you people will attend this program. If you want me to do something special, let me do it. Now, for people who are still asking for more discounts, more benefits, more gifts, before New Year, I'll give you a very big gift, and this is the biggest gift I can give you. The gift what I'm giving you is that you will be attending plus 1 person absolutely free. Absolutely free. So I'm saying, bring your brother, bring your wife, bring your husband, bring your friend, bring your colleague, bring one more person absolutely free. That means individually you will hardly pay 5,000 rupees per person is what you are paying for 2 full days, and including your 2 full days of lunch, coffee, snacks, break and unlimited learning. Yes, I am committed. Are you committed to attend this program? And it's a lifetime opportunity. For sure, nothing bigger than this can come to you for New Year. At 9,999, you can just register and get one person along with you absolutely free. Give him a gift for New Year and tell him, I have the free coupon for you. Come along with me and enjoy this wonderful life transformational program. And all this, if you want to register right now, only for 21 special people, what you have to do is very simple. You have to right now call this number 9663 258 258. I repeat, you have to call 9663 258 258, or just what you can also do is log into Facebook, and in Facebook you have to just type Rudramurti CA. So search my fan page in Facebook. So in Facebook, if you just type Rudramurti CA, you will get information, and this phone number you have to dial immediately, and also without fail, like the Facebook fan page of Rudramurthy, and keep getting unlimited information on stock market investing and trading absolutely free. You can also visit our website. So those who feel you can visit our website, do visit www.vachanainvestments.com. So you can even visit vachanainvestments.com website. You can dial 9663-258-258, log into Facebook page and just type Rudramurthy CA and register for this program before you miss this wonderful opportunity. Can you be part of this program? Are you committed to make yourself rich? If answer is yes, go on right now and be part of this program. Let me see you all in Chennai at Radisson on December 9th and 10th, and have a wonderful program, and you will become super rich. No one can stop. Thanks for everyone who have been part of this webinar, who have been part of this great video, and do forward this video to as many people as possible. Click the button right now, dial this number and get inside this program. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And let me end this program saying that you can only be born poor. If you are dying poor, it is because of you yourself. I will not leave you to die poor. You will be super rich. Just get inside this program. Thanks for watching this video. Share everywhere. Thank you. Have a wonderful time. Bye-bye.